Today I'm going to do an upgrade of my laptop, an HP. I forgot the model name, but it's not important now because I already sourced the part that I wanted for quite a while. Because this one currently has a Core i5 CPU, which is too slow. When I'm starting up Google Chrome, for example, it takes a while, and I can see that all 4 cores, 2 cores by the way with hyperthreading, so for virtual cores, are at 100%, and that's not what I want. Because I'm using this laptop for live streaming, for example, and it just have to be fast and do whatever I say. And that's not the case at this moment. So I bought an upgrade, which is in this envelope here, and it's a CPU. It's a Core i7. It's if I remember correctly, 3840QM, which is a quad-core Core i7, the fastest one for this laptop here. So this actually has 4 real cores. It's a bit slower when it comes to clock speed, but I still have good hopes that it will speed up my machine by a lot. So let's check it out. So the first thing is booting it up, because I haven't booted up for a while and it's already complaining that it couldn't install some updates. So let's see, it says reboot. So of course every time you want to do something it will install updates, of course. So let's install some updates. Hey, it's ready, I think. Come on, do something. Right, I think it's done. So let me show you what I meant with all those cores being heavily busy. As you can see here, it's already at 100%. I hope it's visible on the camera, but it's so slow. Come on, it's just doing nothing and it's at 100%. And it's a Core i5 CPU, so I really don't get it, but I think it's just because it's a mobile CPU. This is what you can expect. So it's going down now, but you will see as soon as I will fire up Chrome, it will get up to 100% again. So that, I clicked TeamViewer as well, it's not important. So just let me show you what I meant. So again, it's at 100% when I'm clicking Go Away You, when I'm clicking Chrome. So this is only Chrome, what you're seeing now is only Chrome. So I got rid of TeamViewer. Anyway, let's just close it. Oh no, go away. Yes, go away. So it's still 100%. It's just ridiculous. So this is not what I want. So yeah, well, it's at 3 gigahertz. It's a dual core and 4 virtual cores, but it's really a pain because it's doing nothing, but it's still loading the CPU. So you can see, of course, after a while it will get down a bit, but this is just ridiculous. So we need the other CPU. So let's close down Windows and see what's inside this laptop and if we can do the upgrade. It should work without any problem. And I already cleaned the fence here, so it's quite clean. But this is all, so it's quite easy. As you can see, we can easily reach the CPU now. I think we have to detach the CPU by moving this through, and it's indeed a 3840QM CPU, which is on the label, written manually, no problem. So I think we can get out the i5. Oops. Okay, now it's open. Just have to move the screw a bit more. The die size is a bit bigger. Look at the difference. Can you see it? So the i7 is on top and the i5 is at the bottom. Okay, let's make sure we align it properly. and miss. And of course, put some decent thermal grease on it. So it's closed again. Right, so I got some silver. Should work just fine. Ooh, not too much, please. Came out quickly. Right, I think we can put the thermal element back. I hope this is spread enough. I don't think it's spread enough. I just need to spread it a bit more to make sure it's on the complete die and not on one spot only. Let's see the results. Okay, power it on. We get a BIOS screen, which is good, and it's booting Windows. It boots up quite a lot faster. Okay, Task Manager, and yeah, we've got 8 cores now, which is pretty awesome, at over 3 gigahertz. So let's load up some web pages and see how fast they will run. Oh, it's so much faster! It's so much faster. It's at 70% at this moment. So this is an awesome lot faster now. Let's get to ByteDelight.com. It seems it cannot reach 100% anymore. Most of the time, it's well underneath 100%. And for an older laptop like this one, this is quite a good upgrade. All right, can we do anything to mess it up? Let's see what we can start. Let's start some applications here. We can for example go to YouTube and see what that does. So it's now at 50%. Let's run a video. I should play a video for myself of myself, because otherwise I will get demonetized for this video. I don't want that. Picked up a huge lot of ZX Spectrums. It's at 26% now. So I think this upgrade is a success. So only at 25% at this moment. Let's check it again. So let's close some apps down. Right. So it's now getting down to 20%. Let's click this away as well. And let's fire up Chrome again and see what happens. And it's peaking to 75%, but it's not reaching 100% anymore. And of course, could be that there's a bit of it is cached, but I'm sure this is a lot better than it was before. So I'm very happy with this. What else can we try? Can we try something? Let's try a game, for example, a browser game. So a simple one, of course. Let's see if we can put a bit more load to it. Still not too much. So it's running completely smoothly, and now I'm dead. And there's no problem at all with the CPU. It's still well under 100%. It's now at 50%, and so it's a bit fluctuating, but maybe that's because of updates. I can't tell. But this looks quite well. So I'm very happy with this upgrade, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!